Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Agentic AI, autonomous AI that works for you, the next big AI revolution. For the last few years, AI has impressed us by answering questions, writing emails, creating images, and even helping with coding. But now, a new evolution of artificial intelligence is emerging, and it's far more powerful. It's called Agentic AI, and many experts believe this will be the biggest shift in AI since ChatGPT. So, what exactly is Agentic AI? Unlike traditional AI tools that wait for human instructions, Agentic AI can act independently. It doesn't just respond, it plans, decides, and executes tasks on its own. Think of it as an AI employee rather than an AI assistant. For example, instead of asking an AI to help you book a flight, Agentic AI can search for the best flights, compare prices, book tickets, add them to your calendar, and notify you, all automatically. You don't need to guide it step by step. You simply give a goal, and the AI figures out how to achieve it. This is what makes Agentic AI revolutionary: goal-based intelligence. Why is Agentic AI trending right now? Agentic AI is going viral in the US because major tech companies are racing to build AI systems that can replace entire workflows, not just small tasks. Businesses are testing AI agents that can manage customer support, handle supply chains, run marketing campaigns, and even make financial decisions. The reason this is happening now is simple. AI models have finally become powerful enough to reason, plan multiple steps ahead, remember context, and use tools like browsers, apps, and APIs. When these abilities are combined, AI stops being reactive and becomes autonomous. In short, AI is no longer just smart, it's proactive. How Agentic AI will change everyday life. Agentic AI has the potential to transform how Americans work and live. In offices, AI agents could manage emails, schedule meetings, prepare reports, and track deadlines, acting like a full-time virtual manager. For entrepreneurs and small businesses, this could mean running operations with fewer employees, reducing costs, and scaling faster than ever before. For individuals, Agentic AI could become a personal life manager, organizing finances, optimizing health routines, planning travel, and even negotiating subscriptions automatically. This level of automation could save hours every day, completely redefining productivity. The job disruption debate. Of course, with great power comes big concerns. One of the biggest fears around Agentic AI is job displacement. If AI agents can do the work of assistants, analysts, customer service reps, and even junior managers, what happens to those jobs? Experts believe the US job market will change rapidly. Some roles will disappear, new roles will be created, and workers who understand AI systems will have a massive advantage. The key shift will be from doing tasks to supervising, guiding, and improving AI agents. Ethical and safety concerns. Another major issue is control. If AI systems are making decisions on their own, who is responsible when something goes wrong? What if an AI agent makes a bad financial decision, spreads misinformation, or acts against human interests? That's why governments and tech companies are now debating AI governance, safety limits, and human oversight. Agentic AI must be powerful, but also controlled. Is this the future of AI? Most experts agree on one thing. Agentic AI is not science fiction. It's already here. We are moving toward a world where AI doesn't just assist humans, but works alongside us as an autonomous digital partner. This could be the biggest productivity revolution in modern history, or the most disruptive. One thing is certain, Agentic AI will change how America works, earns, and lives, and this revolution has only just begun. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.